It's the Boat Geeks with Darren and Darren.
We're the Boat Geeks, whatever floats your boat.
Hey, Darren from the Boat Geeks here. Welcome aboard. We're back from the Slumber Ease Mattress Factory, where Axel and I were custom fitted for her new V-Berth mattresses. Nick gave us this template, which we're going to lay out, mark up, and mail back. Nick's instructions were very simple. We're going to remove the old cushions and, of course, all the stuffies, lay out the template material, and mark it. And as Nick said, to account for the hull angle, we measure up 6 inches, then out to the hull and mark that distance. And voila, template complete. The next step is we're going to mail this back to Nick at Slumber Ease, where their experts are going to build our new custom V-Berth mattresses.
We're the